And the firefighting capability of the Bureau of Fire Protection got a much-needed shot in the arm. This with the acquisition of new and sophisticated fire trucks. Alvin Baltazar reports.
38 new fire trucks from Austria has been handed over by the DILG to the Bureau of Fire BFP. The newly acquired fire trucks cost about 1 billion pesos, payable for 20 years. All in all, the DILG ordered 76 units and are expected to be delivered all in November.
Ngayon po ay 38 po ang na-deliver. Minsan po kasi mabilis ang kanilang dating, pero ayon po sa usapan namin sa Austria, ito po yung bansa na nagbigay po ng pabor dito sa atin, ay itong hanggang November po ang delivery.
The sophisticated fire trucks has the capability of releasing pressured water as high as 8-floor building or about 63 meters. Even the accessories for BFP personnel have several features that pass the international standards purposely for the protection of their firemen.
Ang fire code din po, pati yung fire boots nila ay insulated na para kung makaapak man ang ating bumbero sa may kuryenteng lugar ay hindi po siya makukuryente. Ang fire boots po ay merong steel toe and steel sole para sa protection ng bumbero natin kung makapat po sila na matutulis o nagbabagang bagay.
Even before the advent of Fire Prevention Month, the BFP already has recorded 585 fire incidents for the month of February. Common causes of fire, according to Romero, are problems in electrical wiring, candles, and cigarette butts. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.